How to install on-grid solar system in Pakistan. Green meter. Net metering.
Solar panels in Pakistan.
In Pakistan, almost 5 Tier 1 Grade A solar modules are available, i.e. Trina, Jinko, Ya, Canadian and Longi. However, some other brands which are not Tier 1 but a grade that is Sun can be used without any doubt. All these solar panels are offered with 12 years replacement or workmanship warranty and 25/3.
On-grid grid-tied inverters in Pakistan.
On-grid inverters available brands in Pakistan are Huawei, Solis, Goodwe, Growit, Solis, Knox, SMA, Sungrow, Aotai and so far are most popular for commercial and domestic solar system application.
PV mounting system.
L2, L3, L4 type PV mounting structure made with import GI sheet 30 micron galvanized, available in 12, 14 and 16 gauge. The most popular usage is 14 gauge PV mounting. However, due to rooftop layout and design, limited space availability or due to shading problems, customized PV mounting structure.
Flexible DC wire from solar panel to inverter.
The most usable application is 6 mm wire, but few installers use 4 mm DC. Flexible wire width is not recommended if length is increased between solar panel array and on-grid inverter. Up to 17 ampere per array. 6 mm DC flexible wire is the best choice.
Earthing, surge protection.
Earthing is the most important part, also required by NEPRA and EED authorities to give approval or license for net metering green meter. The ideal earthing should be up to water level depth. A pure Cooper rope wire without insulation should be used. Wire thickness can be determined as per solar size.
Installation of on-grid inverter.
Mostly on-grid inverter are IP67, IP68 dust and splash resistant, but direct UV rays of sun can fade and weaken the outer case of on-grid inverter. Inverter must be installed in shady area where is proper air circulation available. If inverter is installed in airtight premises, it can affect inverter.
Thanks for watching video. Like and subscribe.